Alternative Air Incorporated is a full-service heating, air conditioning, ventilation, and refrigeration company. It's been our pleasure serving the greater Albuquerque area for over 10 years now and growing. Since the very beginning, our team of professionals have dedicated themselves to being knowledgeable about heating and air conditioning products. We strive to bring you quality installation and courteous, friendly service after the sale. We are committed to meeting your comfort equipment needs and to keep your system running reliably and efficiently for years and years to come. Call us at 505-352-6834 or visit us online at www.alternativeairinc.com.